As you spend time creating and working within your assembly designs in SOLIDWORKS 2021, you will find more streamlined tools to help you assemble, pattern, and analyze your assemblies. Now, while mating in SOLIDWORKS 2021, you will find a new streamlined property manager. Instead of expanding sections for each group type, there are now tabs for each group, making it easier to find the correct mate. Looking at the previously created mate, switching alignment presents the question as to how to handle the other components and mates impacted by this change. Choosing no oftentimes means over-defining other mates to solve for the new alignment, which creates more work to fix. Choosing yes would have avoided this issue by instead flipping the other affected mates, making this task a simple fix. In SOLIDWORKS 2021, there is now a new system option under Assemblies to choose how to always select one of these choices or retain the prompt. Choosing always will by default flip the alignment of other mates affected in this scenario. This saves time and confusion, ensuring you always get the results you desire. When creating mates to slots in SOLIDWORKS 2021, you can now choose the default type of position. In this example, center of slot has been selected as the default choice. Likewise, there is now the option to lock the rotation of slot mates, similar to concentric mates. That default slot mate location is a new document setting found under Mates. This eliminates the need to regularly change the location type when adding new slot mates to your design, saving you a little bit of extra time and accidentally choosing the wrong constraint. SOLIDWORKS has always offered the flexibility to change the configuration of each component instance within a pattern. However, sometimes you may just want all of the components to reference the original instance. This can be time-consuming to do one at a time. New in SOLIDWORKS 2021 is a new option to synchronize the configurations of all component instances created by the pattern. This new option also helps from inadvertently changing the configuration of any of these components from the quick menu dropdown and by locking this option within the Component Properties dialog. This ensures that as you make any configuration changes to the seed components of the pattern, those changes will be properly propagated. Finally, interference detection is a powerful tool to quickly find issues within your design. SOLIDWORKS 2021 now offers the option to save these interferences out in a spreadsheet. You even have the choice to capture a screenshot of each interference so that they can be shared and reviewed with others inside of your organization. This offers a new collaborative way to review interferences in a design and determine if they are intentional due to fit conditions, or to collaborate with others what changes should be made to solve the interferences. SOLIDWORKS 2021 offers new tools like these to help you design more efficiently by streamlining and adding value to your common workflows.